Hello guys, my name is Arav and welcome to my channel. All is fun. So today I am going to make my video on gaming on Roblox with my two friends Mahi and Tanisha. So here I am opening my Roblox. So it's a bit laggy. So I can see this is her thing. She's doing the escape the mall lobby. I'm gonna join her. Her name is Charlie D'Amelio. And the other one's name is Tanisha 2010. Here she is. So we are gonna pass the stage. I guess we have to not touch the boxes. Am I right?
Yes.
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 Oh, guess what? I died.
Guys, and it's a race. No, Mahi, it's not a race. Or if you want, we can do a race.
Yeah, we are. Check out the next video where
Mahi.
we do a race.
Mahi, just wait on the third stage. Just wait where you are. Just wait here till she comes. Wait.
Wait, don't go there.
Yeah, let's just wait here till she comes.
Look at me.
Okay, Tanisha, where are you? You passed the first stage. Yeah. You doing emotes? Even I'll try to do an emote. Oh, why can't I do it too?
Come on, Tanisha.
Even I'm doing something. You did not have. You had to jump though. She's come over here. I'll just face the camera towards her. Yeah, there she is. You can see her. Oops, she died. She's coming again. Oh, come on. She's not even able to jump on the first chocolate bar. I came back in reverse. She couldn't come in front.
Come on, let's go. How did I die?
That's what's in your fate. Come on, you came this time. Jump on that Coke. Okay? Coke.
Come on, Tanisha.
Doritos.
Wait for me.
Coke.
Diet Coke.
Okay, wait there.
Jay made me die.
So,
Let's go, guys.
now let's just start the race. We are looking forward to.
Oh, I thought we were...
Yeah, I also thought we have to go out. Yeah, so we have started the race. Let's just see who reaches
Arav is
first.
right now losing.
Yeah, but that's only by one step from you. Tanisha loses. Okay, Tanisha is losing.
Excuse me. What do we even have to do here? I don't know. Okay, I've gone. We have to go in the bathroom.
I know I have gone.
Wait, what's just happening?
I just went into the sewer.
Ew.
So this is the hobby.
That's so disgusting.
I'm trying to beat Charlie D'Amelio. Oh, I died.
Oh, that was so
Oh no, Tanisha is gonna overtake me.
Tanisha, bye-bye.
You can
I'm not even died.
on the top right corner of my screen.
hysterically bad laugh.
You not bad. I die more than you.
Already look at me. I'm not even able to do the first jump.
Same here. Oh, I did the first one, and I did the second one. Goes
Yes, I'm winning.
on the top right corner of
Yes.
on the top right corner of my screen. You can see the leaderboard. Oh, there it's written that Arav6396, which is my name. I'm on stage 7. Tanisha 2010 is on stage 6, which is Tanisha.
I'm
And
on stage 7.
Oh yeah, no, yeah, you reached at my stage. And then Charlie D'Amelio, which is Mahi, she's on stage 11. She's going as fast as a hen.
Okay, the door is locked.
Oh come on, she hasn't died a single time.
Yeah, I'm not even died.
She's gonna win the race.
Definitely.
I suppose.
Yes, I will.
But I will not let her win so easily.
miracle will happen.
Yeah.
There's something. Right now, I am literally.
Have any one of you played the Odyssey?
No.
Oh, none of you played. Even I haven't.
Never played this one.
Yeah, same here. Oh yeah. Okay, I have reached stage 10 and Mahi is on stage 13 and Tanisha is playing like a loser at stage 7. Oh wait, I guess they have mixed 3-4 hobbies because this stage which I am on, like I have played it in some other hobby. They have mixed 2-3 hobbies, I suppose.
Yes.
Yeah, okay. Mahi, I won't let you win so easily though.
You can just say her that I have lost.
No, I'm not gonna give up. Oh, where's the key?
I have
Oh, yeah.
lost, not you.
Oh, why do you give up so easily?
Because I'm literally on stage 7 and you guys are at 11, 12. I died!
Oh, come on. Mahi is on stage 18 and I'm on stage 12. She is making my reputation go down.
Oh no. Oh my god, it's pushing me, it's pushing me.
It's bad luck day for Mahi, not Mahi, Tanisha today.
This is so, oh my gosh. Yeah?
It's like pizza.
So just sorry for the lagging in between. We are back again. So I've reached the stage. Mahi is on stage 21. I'm on stage 16. I'm gonna catch up to her soon, very soon. So like I've reached here. I'm going here. Came here. Oh, by mistakenly I just went in reverse.
Yeah, guys, I am in the lead right now.
And a very big lead she's in.
She's on 8, thank God.
Okay, so like, but today like, God has come to you and give you powers.
Yeah, and I'm stage 9.
Oh, come on, you are only at stage 9.
Yeah.
Yeah, like, I guess you should improve your hobby skills.
I don't play hobbies. It's only parkour that I play.
Oh, like, it's the same thing though, but there are only some differences. Mahi, which stage are you on?
I'm on stage 27.
What do you have to do in that? Yeah, okay. So I just lowered my volume. So like, we are moving
Oh wait,
ahead.
I know this. This is Escape the Restaurant ka hobby.
Yeah, look, I told you. Like, they have mixed 2-3 hobbies together.
I'm on level 31, guys.
And I'm on 23. She is like a god player right now.
I'm like a pro at this, man. I'm on stage 10 finally. Oh my god.
Oh, and Mahi is 20 stages ahead of you.
Okay, this was easy.
I'm just gonna give everything. I'm just gonna do everything that I do to reach Mahi. But the only thing I can do is die.
Where's the key? There you go, guys. Oh, there's the key.
Yeah.
Guys, I'm so good at this. Why am I so good?
And why am I so bad?
I don't know. Maybe you. The burgers, OMG, they look so real. The french fries look.
Ah, I don't remember liking this.
Oh my god, guys.
We made it in a water
lead.
park.
Oh my god, I died.
After so much hard work, I had reached stage. I had just made the difference between me and Mahi to stay.
KFC, don't touch the hot grease. Whatever.
With so much hard work, I had reached only 3 or 4 stages behind Mahi, and now it's gone. The difference is gone to 10.
Woo! When am I supposed to go?
Where you? You don't have to go there.
Then where do I have to go?
I don't know.
I have to go to the water park. I hope I win.
There's no doubt that you're gonna win.
How many stages are there in this hobby?
I don't know.
Maybe 100.
Okay, these burgers.
Oh, there's a barber shop. So cool. There's a water park. Yeah.
Yeah, the barber shop is the barber shop.
Lipstick thing.
The stage you are on, the barber shop, it's taken from the barber hobby. So like I told you that
I'm on
thing.
level 43.
And I'm on 33.
Guys, guess what hobby I'm in? I mean, oh no.
Oh, you can see that there are footballs and basketballs on my screen.
Lego. You know, guys, if you like, no, listen, guys, if you like, finish the whole hobby, you'll get a badge or what?
Yeah. So that.
As you can see, I am still in level, stage 14, and
Why am I back in the wait?
Okay, guys, I'm on the roof.
How you reach the roof? Why
She's
you-
on level stage 47.
It's roti, plain roti, okay? Okay.
So like I'm stuck on the stage.
Tanisha,
So like
sorry. This is just. Give it a minute.
I'm reaching ahead.
No, I don't. No, we can't spectate.
Yay, we escaped if you enjoyed the game.
Oh, that means
There are 50 stages.
That means there are 50 stages in this hobby and Mahi has finished them. And like,
Escape the crew lobby.
don't just join other hobbies. Just wait for
The
us.
ship has been finished with zombies.
Why did you join another hobby though?
It was saying like please step on these two.
Why did you even step on that?
Yeah.
So guys, I'm the winner. Chicken dinner. So
Yeah, so she has won
you're on that?
and she left the game.
Yeah, because I
Tanisha
won.
is still on stage number 14 and I'm on 44.
Oh, great. I'm going backwards.
I won.
I'm going backwards.
Oh, come on, you're going backwards?
Guys, let's just say I am definitely going to lose.
So like I'll just finish the hobby and we'll end the video there because I don't see that Tanisha will be able to finish it within 15 minutes or half an hour because she's going a very slow speed. Like I'm on stage number 45.
Okay.
Doritos, chocolate, Coke, Doritos, chocolate, out. Now I'm pant, shirt, out. Thingy, carton, pipe, thingy.
Ew, there's underpants over here.
Yeah, where? Which stage? Oh, that's not underpants, that's shorts. You just have to jump
They
on
look
them.
like underpants.
Yeah. So like I've reached stage number 49 and
Yes.
let me just tell you a thing that whenever you reach on roads that means you're on the end of the hobby. You just need to take one more checkpoint. Like you can see that there's a checkpoint. The person says we escaped. If you enjoy this game and want to play more, step on the green pads. If you step on this green pad, you will play escape the McDonald's hobby, and if you play this one, it is escape the cruise ship hobby. Let me just take the badge. I took the badge. So now that's it for this video, guys.
Make sure to like, subscribe, and
Hit the notification bell. Okay, so that's it for this video. Please like, share and subscribe and hit the notifications bell to get the top notifications of my new uploads and posts. Thank you guys. Bye. Your friend Arav.